Here's your latest video weather briefing from the National Weather Service in San Diego. This is Alex Tardy, a meteorologist at the National Weather Service. Despite the very warm conditions and the dry air mass that's in place due to the Santa Ana wind, this video is going to talk about the major weather pattern change to cool and wet weather. This video is a few minutes long. Let's look at the highlights for you. Dry Santa Ana winds will weaken, but hot temperatures and dry air will continue across our region on Friday. Onshore flow or west winds increasing Friday night and Saturday with a strong cooling trend from west to east, eventually reaching our deserts. Deep marine layer will build Saturday night into Sunday with drizzle expected on the coast, increasing chance of rain showers Sunday night and into Monday. Isolated thunderstorms are possible as well. We even could see some locally heavy rain. Showers could linger into Tuesday before the system completely exits. Rain amounts, a lot of places could see quarter to half inch of rain, a little bit less in the deserts. Locally higher amounts, even for coastal areas and inland valleys, as well as the mountain slopes, could reach up to around an inch. So potentially a good wetting rain for Southwest California. Considerable forecaster confidence given the pattern change, the time of year, as we're getting well out of the rainy season, and the actual weather system coming in. All right, before we get too far into the chance of rainfall, I want to emphasize the hot, dry, windy conditions will continue through Friday, as depicted on here, and the red flag warnings remain in effect. Some of the peak wind gusts we've seen today, Thursday, since midnight are shown on this map. And you can see when we refer to isolated or localized winds, how they occur across our area. In this case, a northeast wind or a Santa Ana wind. However, one of our major fires that's ongoing in the Banning Pass is in an area where it's prone for strong west or strong east winds, which happens to be the case today. Take a look at this map for the winds across our area so far. All right, the forecast rainfall that we discussed in the highlights, this is how it looks on the map across California. Many areas seeing a quarter to half an inch of precipitation, a little bit less in the deserts, like I mentioned before, and a little bit more for some of the coastal slopes all the way to the coastal hills and parts of the inland valleys. The reason being is the storm track depicted in white is expected to move right across Southern California, followed by a secondary system with the arrow to the north. What's it going to look like in the jet stream level or the storm system level for Sunday and Monday? Well, a large circulation, low pressure area is expected to combine with a weaker system and basically tap into subtropical moisture, drawing that moisture into Southern California for later Sunday into Monday, as shown here on the map. The storm track places it right across Southern California. The moisture that's coming out of the tropics will get pulled northward. Looks like we'll see quite a bit more moisture than we saw in the brief precipitation event we saw last week along the coast. This will be a little bit better tap, as shown here, with the green and the purple areas being drawn northward towards Southwest California. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. You can send feedback to the link above. Also, please use our previewweather.gov page and you'll find all the gridded and graphical weather forecast information, and of course the real-time weather monitor, whether it be precipitation or wind or temperature, on the links shown here. Visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and of course this video is on YouTube. Thank you.